Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a hammer drill that I bought off Temu for about £25. As soon as I saw that price, I was really skeptical about what this drill could actually do, and whether it would actually be powerful enough to drill through brick or concrete. And generally, I would normally go for Bosch or DeWalt. But I'm just looking to do some general DIY things, and I didn't want to spend, 100 odd quid on a drill. So it got 5-star reviews on Temu. So this is why I bought it. And yeah, we'll take a look at it now. So the drill comes in this nice, neat little box. And the brand is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's JustFit or JustFit. They do have a website, www.justfittools.com. So yeah, let's open it up and let's have a look. So it does come with your standard drill bits. So we've got the instruction manual. Which it doesn't seem to give you a lot of information on this specific drill. It does give you a little bit of information on it, but it also has all the other products from the same brand. So let's take a little look at the actual drill itself. So the feel of it is actually really good quality. Feels very solid. It looks quite nice as well. But yeah, generally it's quite a good build, to be honest. Pretty shocked for 25 quid. I thought it was going to feel cheap. We have a couple of drill bits attached to the side here as well. And the torque goes up to about 25, so that should be enough to drill through walls. But yeah, it's actually quite good so far. And we've got various settings. We've got the hammer drill setting, we've got the screw setting, and we've just got standard drill setting. And then we have a speed setting on here. We have the forwards and backwards settings on the side here. And this actually comes with 2 batteries as well. So we get 2 batteries included, and the batteries are 20 volts and 200 milliamp, which is actually quite good as well. That's not bad. It actually seems pretty good. And it also comes with obviously the charger for the batteries. So overall seems really good so far. So I guess we're going to have to go test it out. So guys, as you can see, the drill does a pretty good job of getting through the brick wall. So for 25 quid, honestly, I can't complain. The drill is pretty good quality. Obviously, it's not going to be as good as the big name brands, but if you're just looking to do general DIY, it's perfect, and you don't want to spend big money, then go for it. Make sure you drop a like on the video, guys, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more reviews on various tech and gadgets.